Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Unemployment is a serious problem among young people. There are thousands of people who do not have any work to do and cannot find work for themselves. Unemployment refers to the situation where a person wants to work but cannot find employment in the labor market. One of the major reasons that contribute to employment is the large population of India and the limited availability of resources. Unemployment is measured by the unemployment rate defined as the number of people activity looking for a job as a percentage of the labor force. The unemployment rate for the year 2013-14 in rural India was 4.7%, whereas it was 5.5% for urban India. In the short term, unemployment significantly reduces a person's income, and in the long term, it reduces their ability to save for retirement and other goals. Unemployment is a loss of valuable productive resources to the economy. The impact of job loss in rural and regional areas flows through the local community, damaging businesses. An unemployed person is one who is an active member of the labor force and is seeking work but is unable to find any work for himself. There are multiple reasons behind the unemployment of a person. One of them is the slow economic growth due to which jobs is adequate numbers are not created. Excessive dependence on agriculture and slow growth of non-farm activities also limit employment generation. Unemployment in urban areas is mainly the result of substantial rural migration to urban areas. This has also resulted in a labor workforce in cities. The lack of technology and proper machinery has also contributed to unemployment. The present educational system is based on theory based knowledge instead of practical work. Thus, it lacks the development of aptitude and technical qualifications required for various types of work among job seekers. This has created a mismatch between the need and availability of relevant skills and training. This results in unemployment, especially among the youth and educated people with high degrees and qualifications. Apart from it, the lack of investment and infrastructure has led to inadequate employment opportunities in different sectors. Various strategies and proposals have been implemented to generate employment. Many employment programs and policies have been introduced and undertaken to boost self-employment and help unemployed people engage in public works. The government of India has taken several policy measures to fight the problem of unemployment. Some of the measures are the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, National Skill Development Mission, स्वर्ण जयंती शहरी रोजगार योजना, regional rural banks. Despite the measures taken by the government, India remains a country experiencing severe unemployment problems. It can be resolved by imparting education in such a way that youth get the necessary skills so as to get employment easily. Setting up various vocational training and vocational courses for undergraduate and postgraduate students will help in finding employment for youth. The government needs to emphasize these courses at the primary level and make them a compulsory part of the curriculum to make students proficient in their early stages of life. Career counseling should be provided within schools and colleges so that students can choose a better career option based on their interests and ability. Government should create more job opportunities for the youth and graduates. India is a fast growing economy. There is an enormous scope for improvement in the unemployment sector. The various measures and steps taken by the government to increase the employment rate have succeeded to a great extent. The widespread skill development programs have gained popularity across the nation. With better enforcement of the strategies, the employment level can be significantly improved. Although we have to go a long way before we can say that all the people in India will get employment.